Here's a quick homemade Valentine's Day gift recipe. Warm up some heavy cream and add a bag of your choice chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet, and the cake I'm using is a devil's food, so I know it won't be too sweet. So you can have leftover cake for this, or just make a new cake, crumble it up, use the ganache to create a paste consistency so that you can form it into a ball. Then take your balls and dunk it into the ganache you made, or you can make a new batch, and that is going to give you your coating. It's going to look more professional and more pretty. You can use any kind of candy to give it a topping. I chose crushed up Kit Kats, but the possibilities are endless.